Hello, all my signing friends, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. This week, we've been learning At the Cross, and this is day 2. So we are learning the chorus today. If this is your first video, you want to go back. Yesterday, we learned how to sign verse 1. Housekeeping as always, remember, I am left-handed. So if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description for lots of helpful links. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so at the cross, that's how this starts. So you have your non-dominant hand out like this, and your dominant hand is going to meet it. Okay, at. So and then the cross, you take your dominant hand and show a cross. Okay, up and then over. So at the cross, I, your chest, I surrender. So for surrender, you're going to take 2 S's here, and you're going to like you're holding something in. This is mine, and then nope, I'll give it to God. Okay? Surrender, and then I'll give it away. Okay? In and out. In and out. Okay? So at the cross, I surrender my life. So my, and then life. L's towards your stomach, and then up towards your ribs. Okay? Surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. So I here, awe. So you kind of have bunny ears here at your chin, and just comes out in awe. Okay? In awe of you, pointing to God in heaven. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red. Okay? So where, you don't have to do where. You can always just say your love ran red, because that's what we're describing here. Your, pointing to God in heaven. Okay? It should technically be an open hand, but 98% of the time I make a mistake and I just point to God. Okay? Your love ran red. So we're not actually going to do the sign for running here. We're going to do the sign for bled. So you have your dominant or your non-dominant hand here, and your dominant hand is going to show your fingers coming down like this. Okay? Bled. Then red, you take your index finger, and it's almost like you scratch your chin twice. Okay? Red. So where your love ran red and my sin, so once again, those kind of bent index fingers and goes in towards each other. Okay? Sin, washed. So you have 2 fists and you're kind of rubbing it together. Washed, and then white. So for white, you pull out twice from your kind of chest. Okay? White. I keep pulling my hair. Okay, white. White. I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you, Jesus. I, and then O, it's like you're pointing out that you have a promissory note here. Okay? So I owe it all to you. I'm not going to be signing all. You're welcome to, but I'm essentially saying I owe you, God, because I kind of do. Okay? I owe you. I owe all to you. And then Jesus, middle fingers, showing the nail-pierced hands. Okay? And that's the chorus. Let's take it from the top. At the cross, I surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red and my sin washed white, I owe all to you. I owe all to you, Jesus. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay? This is an incredible chorus. I love it. At the cross, I surrender my life. I'm in awe of you. I'm in awe of you. Where your love ran red and my sin washed white, I owe all to you. I owe all to you, Jesus. And that's the chorus, everyone. Really proud of you for sticking it out. And tomorrow we're going to learn verse 2. Can't wait to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.